Hi guys, today we talk about Xiaomi Redmi K70 Extreme Edition. It's launched on July 2024. The dimensions of Redmi K70 Extreme Edition: height 6.3 inch, width 2.95 inch, thickness 8.2 mm, the weight is 214 gram, and the build front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Xiaomi Redmi K70 Extreme Edition. It's come with OLED 68 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.67 inches with 89.0% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 2K and the PPI density is 526. The refresh rate is 144 Hz with 4000 nits peak of brightness. The screen protection is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, and the platform it's come with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus. The CPU is octa-core Cortex-X4 3.4 GHz, and the GPU is Immortalus G720. The memory of Redmi K70 Extreme Edition is 24 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The camera setup, it's come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto, and it's record 8K 24 fps video. The front selfie camera is 16 megapixel and it's record 1080p 60 fps video. The battery backup, it's come with 5500 mAh battery with 120 watt fast wired charging. It could not support wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. The common and the features, it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, stereo speakers, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0, infrared port, and many other features. The price of Xiaomi Redmi K70 Extreme Edition is $699.